Hi, this is John with Haiku Instruments. What I'm showing right now is the automated sample preparation portion of the Model 575 Intrinsic Viscometer. We already weighed out our samples using the connected laboratory balance, and now the syringe pumps behind me in the viscometer are dosing out the appropriate volume of solvent that was pre-calculated to hit the exact concentration target. What's happening is that about every 3 minutes, each subsequent sample has its solvent added to it. The block here that the samples are placed in is heated and stirred. Each location is individually stirred. That means that you've got a perfect vortex in every sample, and the speed is controlled via the software, so it's both logged and controlled. This gives you the ability to adjust for the viscosity of your solvent, both at temp when the solvent is dispensed, and if you're running samples that require dissolution at higher temperature, we can adjust the speed such that it runs a little bit faster once the solvent viscosity has decreased. So this all happens automatically. After we've weighed out our samples and pressed start, the system then goes through and draws the required volume for each sample, delivers it, and then starts a timer. Once all of the samples have been dissolved based on the pre-configured settings, then the system moves and the autosampler arm goes back to the first sample, draws it into the viscometer, and starts the analysis. It's that simple. All we have to do is weigh out our samples, put a stir bar and cap on the vial, place it in the autosampler, and then press go. Then we come back a couple hours later, depending on the number of samples. Usually it takes about 4 or 5 minutes per sample to run, and that's duplicate injections. So standard is right around 12 to 15 samples per hour. This is due to our patented rapid fire configuration that allows us to analyze one sample while we're loading the next, and then based on the stability of the plateau region in the data, we're able to automatically trigger the next sample as soon as the data has achieved the signal stability that we're looking for. This allows us to rapidly analyze and load samples faster than any other system on the market.